Yes, welcome back to our YouTube tutorial, and yes, this is Mr. Mosh from Apex Global Technologies, and I'll be taking you through on steps on how you can be able to set up your Laravel environment on your machine. So by the end of the day, you will be able to create and run your first Laravel project. So today I'm going to walk you through all you need to create a Laravel project, and they are simple. There are very few steps that we shall look at. Number one, we have to look at some of the required tools that we need, and the first tool we are going to see is what we call XAMPP. Yeah, you need XAMPP. Why? We use XAMPP to get PHP, MySQL, and Apache in one package. So remember, Laravel, since it's a framework and it runs on PHP, because Laravel is a backend language, rather framework which runs on PHP. So we need PHP, and that's why we shall install XAMPP. So XAMPP has three things. That's MySQL, PHP, and Apache. And of course, I'll be leaving the links in the description on how you can download these softwares. Then number two, you need a composer. You need to download composer. Why? A composer is the package manager for PHP and Laravel. So you need this composer for you to be able to manage your Laravel projects, as we shall see. And then number three that you might need is what we call the Node.js. So for now, I'm going to first show you the first step of how you can be able to install XAMPP. How do you install XAMPP? You simply just browse to any of the search engine. You can either use Chrome, or others can use Microsoft Edge, and even those ones can use Firefox. But for me, I prefer more of Chrome. And of course, when you come to Chrome, you look for XAMPP. You type in XAMPP, XAMPP download. Yeah. Now you type in XAMPP download. Yes. Of course, make sure that your internet is on. You type in XAMPP download, and of course it will show you here that these are some of the available XAMPP whatever options. You can either use the first link, you can use this Apache Friends, it's the official platform for downloading XAMPP, or at times some of them can use the SourceForge. So you either use SourceForge or you can use this. So but for me, I'd already downloaded that, but simply you just click on download, and then you choose based on which device you're using, either Mac OS, or you can be using Windows. So you select based on which suitable installer that you're using. And also the other thing you should note, that XAMPP version keeps on changing. You can see that by the time I'm recording this video, we are running XAMPP 8.3 or 8.2, but by the time you'll be seeing this, we might be on XAMPP 8.5. So based on which XAMPP you're installing, anything is okay for us. So since I already downloaded that, what I'm going to simply go, I'm going to navigate to a folder which is called softwares. I have it on my local machine, but for you, in case at your end you don't have XAMPP, make sure that you can download this XAMPP as an installer. Then for you, the step to install, you just simply double click on this installer. So double click on that installer, and of course it will ask you whether you want to make changes to your machine. You accept that. Yeah, accept that, and simply come here. You wait for it. It might take some few seconds. It depends on the nature of the machine you're using. If it's very fast, it will be okay. And then the other concern that I can still show you before we proceed is those people who are having those who are using Windows, rather antiviruses. So most of the times as developers, we tend to use most softwares, and some of these antiviruses, they always see these softwares as viruses. So I always advise that in case you're to use this XAMPP, make sure that you don't have any antivirus on your machine. And your machine is safe. Why? Because already Windows by default, it has its Windows Defender, which acts as its antivirus. So there is no need for you to go ahead and install other antiviruses. Even in later, they become even viruses themselves. So I advise that whoever is watching this video and whoever is going to be able to install Laravel, make sure that you uninstall all those antiviruses, so that our softwares are not blocked by those antiviruses. So when you're here, of course, yes, this is a warning. Don't mind about it. Just simply click on OK. After clicking on OK, make sure you just click on Next. And this video is for those who haven't yet installed XAMPP before. Like, in case you have already installed it, make sure that it is running as expected. But in case you're installing it afresh or a new one, make sure that you don't have any XAMPP folder in your local disk C. So I'll simply just click on next. I keep on clicking next, next. Yeah, I click on next. Yes, next until it starts. Now this process takes in some time. It might take around 5 to 10 minutes. You have to be patient as you're waiting for it to finish. Of course you finish it, and of course as it finishes, I'll be still showing you more of the how you can still proceed. I'll first pause the video for now as it finishes, then I'll proceed. Okay.